In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to generate an X-bar-S chart. Visit the URL qtools.zometric.com and log in with your credentials. Click on X-bar-S in the list of statistical analysis tools. In the data pane on the left, we need to capture the data for X-bar-S chart analysis. We can enter data manually by clicking on the edit mode at the bottom of the data pane, or we can copy and paste from Excel files or Google Sheets using Ctrl-C Ctrl-V in Windows, or Command-C Command-V in Mac. Remember, each row in the data pane should contain one subgroup. For example, if each subgroup has 5 samples, the data should have 5 columns. Zometric statistical software accepts variable subgroup sizes too, so all rows of data need not be of the same size. Now, in the options pane on the right, we can see some optional and mandatory parameters. If we know the historical process mean and enter the value, the center line is set to the value we provide. If not, the software calculates the center line from the data we provide. Similarly, if the historical process standard deviation is known and provided, the control limits are calculated based on the value provided. If not, the software calculates the control limits based on the estimated within standard deviation. The standard deviation estimation can be done using either the S-bar method or pooled standard deviation method. By default, all 8 Nelson rules are activated. If we need to restrict the lookup for special causes to only certain rules, we can deselect them. The software also supports altering the default numbers of points for the identification of special causes. This can be done by selecting the appropriate number from the dropdown against each rule. Click on the Calculate button and wait for the results to load. In this example, we see the control chart has identified 4 special causes or rules. Each rule is marked by a different color. Sometimes multiple rules can overlap on specific points. The X-bar-S charts are interactive, and we can switch the rules on or off to visualize each rule separately. For an in-depth understanding of X-bar-S analysis and usage guidelines, refer to the help documentation or concept video.